In this video, you'll learn how to send a plain text email using Mailchimp. This process is straightforward and will guide you through each necessary step to ensure your email reaches your audience effectively. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see your dashboard displaying various options related to your campaigns and audience. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Create. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of your dashboard. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several options for creating new content. After that, select the option labeled Email from the drop-down menu. This action will redirect you to a new screen where you can choose the type of email you want to create. Once this appears, click on the option labeled Plain Text. This selection is essential for composing a simple text email without any formatting or images. You will then be directed to a new page where you can begin crafting your email. At this point, you will need to type in a name for your email campaign. This name helps you identify the campaign later. After entering the name, ensure you confirm this step before proceeding. Now, click on the button labeled Begin. This action will take you to the next screen where you can choose your recipients for the email. Be aware that the size of your audience may affect the time it takes to send your email. Next, you will see options for selecting your audience. You can choose entire audience to send to all your contacts or select segment or tag if you wish to target a specific group. Make your selection based on your campaign's goals. Once you have chosen your audience, click on the button labeled Next. This leads you to the setup page where you will define the email subject and additional settings for your campaign. At this stage, type in the subject line for your email. This subject line is crucial as it determines whether your recipients will open your email. After entering the subject, confirm that it accurately reflects the content of your message. After this, click on the button labeled Next to proceed to the text input stage. Here, you will compose the main body of your plain text email. Ensure your message is clear and concise, as plain text emails do not support formatting. Once you have input your text, click on the button labeled Next again. This will take you to the confirmation screen where you can review your email campaign before sending it out. At this point, you will see the option to click on Send. This is your opportunity to double check all details, including the recipient list and email content. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Finally, click on the button labeled Send Out. This action will dispatch your plain text email to the selected recipients. Keep in mind that sending times may vary based on your internet connection and the size of your audience. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.